வணக்கம் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ். இன்னைக்கு நம்ம இந்த வீடியோல தமிழ்நாடு சமச்சீர் கல்வி 7th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் சோஷியல் சயின்ஸ் டேர்ம் 1 ஜியோகிராஃபி போர்ஷன்ஸ்ல யூனிட் 1 இன்டீரியர் ஆஃப் த எர்த் இந்த லெசனோட புக் பேக் கொஸ்டின் அண்ட் ஆன்சர் தான் பார்க்க போறோம். ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ரோமன் சூஸ் த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். கொஸ்டின் நம்பர் 1, NiFe is made up of Ni means nickel and Fe means ferrous. So nickel and ferrous. Option A. Question number 2, earthquake and volcanic eruption occur near the edges of. So for this, the answer is plates. Option C. Third question, the magnitude of an earthquake is measured by Richter scale. Option B. Question number 4, the narrow pipe through which magma flow out is called a vent. It is called as vent. Question number 5, dash volcano is known as lighthouse of Mediterranean Sea. It is Stromboli, Mount Stromboli. Question number 6, dash belt is known as the ring of fire. Option is circum-Pacific belt. Second Roman, fill in the blanks. First question, the core is separated from the mantle by a boundary called, that is Earth's core and mantle is separated by Weichert-Gutenberg discontinuity. It is known as, that boundary name is known as Gutenberg discontinuity. Question number 2, the earthquake waves are recorded by an instrument known as seismograph. So waves are recorded, earthquake waves are recorded in seismograph. Question number 3, magma rises to the surface and spreads over a vast area is known as, this is known as fissure eruption. Fissure eruption. Question number 4, an example for active volcano. We can give any example. So I have given here St. Helens in USA. Question number 5, seismology is the study of earthquakes. Third Roman, circle the odd one. Question number 1, crust, magma, core, mantle. In this, magma is odd one because crust, core, mantle, these are Earth's interior layers. Core is very much interior layer, mantle is next, and crust is outermost layer. So magma is not relevant to this. Second question, focus, epicenter, vent, seismic waves. Except vent, all these three, focus, epicenter, seismic waves, are related to earthquakes. So this vent is related to volcano, hence it is odd one. Third, Uttarkashi, Kamoli, Koina, Krakota. Actually in the 4, this except Krakota, all the 3 are earthquakes. But this Krakota is actually volcanic mountain. So this is odd one. Question number 4, lava, caldera, silica, crater. In this question, this lava, caldera and crater, all these relates to volcanic eruption forms. But this silica is not related to volcano, hence it is an odd one. Question number 5, Stromboli, Helens, Hawaii, Fujiyama. In this, all the first 3 are active volcanoes, and the Fujiyama in Japan is dormant volcano. So this is an odd one. Fujiyama is odd one. Fourth Roman, match the following. Earthquake means sudden movement. So first one, Saima means silica and magnesium. Pacific ring of fire, it means world volcanoes are located in and around the Pacific ring of fire. So it is world volcanoes. Tsunami, it is a Japanese term. And Mount Kenya, it is located in Africa. Next, fifth Roman, consider the following statements and take the appropriate answer. Question number 1, assertion, the structure of the earth may be compared to that of an apple. Yes, this statement is individually right. Reason, the interior of the earth consists of crust, mantle and core. So இங்க என்ன சொல்ல வராங்கன்னா, எர்த்துக்கு எப்படி 3 லேயர்ஸ் இருக்கோ, எர்த்தை வந்து ஆப்பிளோட ஒப்பிடுறாங்க. ஆப்பிள்லயும் 3 லேயர்ஸ், அந்த இன்டீரியர்ல சீட் இருக்கிறது, அதுக்கப்புறம் ஃப்ரூட் அண்ட் அதுக்கப்புறம் அவுட்டர் லேயர். So they compare earth with an apple. So here both assertion and reason are correct and R explains A. So hence the option is A. A and R are correct and R explains A. Second question, assertion, the Pacific Ocean includes 2/3 of the world's volcanoes. This statement is individually correct because the Pacific Ocean has circum-Pacific belt, which is known for world's volcanoes. It has around 2/3 of world's volcanoes. Reason, the boundary along the eastern and western coast areas of the Pacific Ocean is known as Pacific Ring of Fire. Yeah, it is also correct. Both the statement is individually correct, and this because of the Pacific Ring of Fire volcanoes are located here. So R explains A. Hence the option is A. A and R are correct and R explains A. Sixth Roman, answer in a word. So first question, name the outermost layer of the earth. Earth has three main layers, that is core, next is mantle, and next is crust. So outermost layer is crust. So it is answer is crust. Second question, what is Sial? SiAl. It means silica and aluminium. Si represents silica, Al represents alumina. It is the upper part of the earth crust. The most upper part of the earth crust has Sial, SiAl, silica and aluminium it has. Third question, name the movement of the earth's lithospheric plates. Okay, movement of earth's lithospheric plate means plate movement is known as tectonic movements. It is known as tectonic movements. Fourth question, give an example of extinct volcano. So extinct volcano example, we can give anything. Here I have given the volcanoes located in Africa, Mount Kilimanjaro and Mount Kenya. Mount Kilimanjaro and Mount Kenya of Africa. So இன்னைக்கு இந்த வீடியோல நம்ம பார்த்தோம்னா 7th standard geography term 1 chapter 1 one word answers டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணிருக்கோம். இதோட டிஸ்கிரிப்டிவ் ஆன்சர்ஸ் அப்கமிங் வீடியோல டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணுவோம். அண்ட் இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்துச்சுன்னா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. கொஸ்டின்ஸ், சஜஷன்ஸ், டவுட்ஸ் எது இருந்தாலும் கமெண்ட்ல சொல்லுங்க. அண்ட் மறக்காம எங்க சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் வாட்சிங்.